So switch on the printer, go to the printer screen. On the printer screen, scroll ahead and look for the maintenance and click OK. Go ahead and look for the ink cartridge replacement and press OK. Replace ink cartridges, press OK. Press this button to start the process. Open the ink chamber. Now take the ink cartridges out, so press the lock button and then take it out. So just like this. So you have to press the front. It's easy to take it out. Now take your new ink cartridges and remove all the seals. Now place with the color. Let's start with this. Press it down and it will lock itself. So you have to place it here and press down. It will make a little sound, that's a lock sound. And that is our last one, that's the black ink. Now lift it up and let it go down, and then again lift it up and let it go completely down. After installing, click on the start button, so it will just initiate the ink cartridges, and now we are ready to use this printer for printing. Thanks for watching.